Check it out, folks. It's the sunrise. It's 7:42 a.m. and we are at the City Brew in Laurel. We're headed to Dillon. We're headed to Manhattan.
Here is your card back for you.
Thank you. I'm trying to order coffee here, but I just wanted to get some video of the sunset here, or sunrise. Sorry.
It's gonna be a great day.
It is going to be a great day.
We're going on an adventure.
Yep. We're just in Bozeman. We drove all the way over from Billings in one shot, and so then we had to go to the bathroom. We were gonna stop in Bozeman, right? And then like, I was like, should we get off at 7th or should we get off at 19th? I know there's gas stations at 7th, but then we decided to get off at 19th, and there's like not a lot of gas stations on 19th.
Right, not close, or like a mile in. So we were gonna maybe go to the next town, but I had to put my foot down.
Didn't I?
We are not going to the next
Didn't
town.
I say that we have to go to the next town?
Yeah. We'll just go to the next town. It'll just be easier. Here we are. We saw 2 hot air balloons. They're pretty cool.
Oh yeah, there are hot air balloons up. Maybe we'll get those on camera.
Yeah.
Okay, I just had to share that story. I thought that was funny.
We gotta get to the next town.
So we're just leaving Twin Bridges, and I was just gonna say we stopped and ate at the Shack. Right?
So good.
That's what it's called?
Yep.
Really, really good. So check out the Shack in Twin Bridges, Montana. Really good stuff.
Being a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues, and in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Being a real bad boy. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt.
It's an old orphanage. It's not running anymore. It's pretty cool. It's really gorgeous. The trees look like they're on fire.
Yeah, they do.
It's a really pretty time of year. Yeah, good eating at the Shack and Wilcoxon's ice cream.
The Shack.
The Shack.
Twin Bridges, Montana.
Wilcoxon's ice cream. Say that.
Wilcoxon's ice cream.
It's the best.
It's the best. What up, what up, what up? We're here 14 miles outside of Dillon. This is kind of cool, huh?
Really cool.
What is this area?
Pretty. This is the Ruby Mountains area, and the reason they're named that is because there's lots of garnets around here, but people originally thought they were rubies.
That's cool.
You can hunt for them. I've found several of them out here before.
Really?
Yeah, they're quite pretty.
Nice. All right, so we are here. We made it. We made it to the family place in Dillon. Super, super nice area. And so I just took some pictures of the family. Just gonna get a quick video. I haven't been vlogging all night. We've been spending time chit-chatting. It's almost 10 o'clock. We're leaving Dillon. We're headed to Three Forks. Anyway, I got one drone flight in. Hope you enjoyed the drone flight. I got a couple of time lapses in. Enjoy those time lapses. That's really all I had to say. What do you think?
It's a great evening. We're super tired because this has been a marathon kind of day, But
So much of a
But
marathon.
the last 8 hours of our life just totally flew by.
Yeah, it
Actually,
did.
more than that. It was about 10 hours. I mean,
Totally.
yeah, it felt like one afternoon, and it was quite a long stretch of time. So
Yeah, it was. I
that
kind
tells you a lot about your company.
I agree with that 100%. I kind of need a bottle of water real quick. Do you want anything?